Hey friends, artist Resin here. Welcome back to my channel. And so Diwali series continues. I'm going to make 8-inch Aarti Thali. Um, I don't know what we call it in English, but yeah, I have kept my resin ready. I've divided resin in two batch. This will be for border, and these are the colors I've chosen. This is purple and this is copper. Okay, and some clear will be poured in the center, so I'm not taking much of these colors. And this is the mold, 8-inch and 8.5-inch mold. So let's get started. Okay, look at this beautiful copper, and I need tiny bit of it. This color has been lying with me since the beginning, and this one also. If you have ever seen my earlier videos, this might be there somewhere. I don't know where I had posted. And this is too dark. Only a tiny bit is enough to color. As you can see how much dark it is. These are very much concentrated colors. And look at this purple. I'll have to mix them thoroughly. And this is opaque purple, not mica powder. And this is shimmery color. As you can see, look at the copper. It looks like molten metal, some sort of metal. I want my place clean. I have just cleaned it. I don't want it to be ruined. Okay, we are done. I'll have to use a new wipe. Okay, we are done. We're good to go. Now we start with our mold. Let's just start with purple first. this is some sort of floating color type. Can you see? Now we pour some clear. Now we need to torch it down. I'll allow it to pull towards the center. If it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, then I'll pull it towards the center with the help of a candy stick. Okay, now we'll see it after. So it has cured fully. Look at the lovely color it created. The colors merged, purple and copper. So I'll add these. This is tea light holder and this is tilak wati. So I'll add these like this and add the stickers. I'll fast forward the process and afterwards I'll add top coat. So I have applied my sticker and look at it, it looks wonderful. I'll add another coat on it. Look at the beautiful color popping up. And I'm applying very thin coat, as this is already thick enough. So allow the resin to reach all the corners. Normally what I do is I work in 2 layers of this casting resin. Then once the product is finished, I'm just talking about this Aarti Thali and posters and all. So yeah, when the product is finished, then I'll apply a layer of a top coat layer. So I'll just add these light here and these watties. So we'll wait for 24 hours, and I have to add some pearls too. Let me get some pearls first. Let's add some pearls in it, and I'll record that in fast forward once again because it's a time consuming process.